Finally, my first mechanical gaming keyboard is here. It's the GK100F HP. It has a high adjustment and the switches can be changed to another design, and it has 50 million key life. Let's unbox this mechanical keyboard now. Shall we? Ooh, not bad. Uh, it has with this keycap switches, some manual. This one. It's really very. It is really a mechanical key. Let's fire this thing off. The keyboard is just fine, and it has a support in the at the back. Um, Layers are just fine. I'm gonna turn this thing on. Ooh, look at that! It's turning on now. Not bad for only 1,500 or $30 dollar. Not bad. I'm going to test now the keycaps. This is very noisy. It is really a mechanical keyboard after all. That's the my cable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think everything works fine. And to switch the lights, I just have to press the FN control and INS. Hope my other finger can reach it. There you go. As you can see, it reads in different setting. Can be like that. Right. Quite amazing, right? Not bad, not bad. I only bought this for 1,500 pesos or $30 in US currency. Why didn't you try this keyboard now? Go grab someone like this. Go grab something like this.